In this part, let us see what are the various types of contract. What are the different types of contracts we enter into when we make contracts. Now, the types of contracts are bifurcated into three heads. First, it's based on the validity of the contract. Second is based on the formation of the contract. And third is based on the performance of the contract. On the basis of validity, first we have a valid contract, then a void contract, next we have a voidable contract, and then we have illegal agreement. Finally, we'll study unenforceable contract. On the basis of formation, we have express contract, we have implied contract, third we have quasi contract, and finally on the basis of performance, we'll study what is an executed contract, what is an executory contract, what is a unilateral contract, and what is a bilateral contract. So let's get started with a valid contract.